Hello, today is Thursday. Do you notice something different? Where are my glasses? Because the print size of the words in this book is super small and I need some help. So, the book today is It's Raining, It's Pouring. Is it raining where you live? It's not raining here in Tri-Cities where Miss Kimball lives. In fact, it's so sunny that Bear told me she wanted to lay down on the grass. Do you know how she told me? She's like, rah, 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 rah. Is that really what she said? Well, she laid down on the grass and she wouldn't move, so I had to sit down and rub her tummy. She's so bossy. Here's the story. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. Just like Bear, she snores so loudly. My goodness, sometimes I have to poke her and say, Bear, quit snoring. For reals. He bumped his head before when he went to bed and couldn't get up in the morning. I tell you a little secret. Miss Kimball's mom snores too, like a truck. Don't tell her I said that. She'll get mad at me, even though I'm a grown-up. It's cloudy, it's breezy, the old man is sneezy. He blew so hard that he moved the stars, but of course that wasn't easy. Can he really move the stars? Do you think this book is fiction or nonfiction? Do you remember? Fiction is made up. Nonfiction is real. It really happens. Think about that. It's snowing, it's blowing, the old man is growing. He's growing. He ate so much one day for lunch, every part of him was showing. It's warm out and sunny, the old man loves honey. What's gonna happen? He tried to seize a batch from the bees and they didn't find it funny. Where do you think he's gonna get stung? Think he's gonna get stung on his booty? It's cool, damp, and chilly. The old man's name is Willie. He tripped and fell in a big old well. Oh my gosh, did he look silly? It's gusty, it's windy. The old man's wife is Cindy. Oh. With ants in their pants, they started to dance and ended up doing the Lindy. The Lindy. That's an old-fashioned kind of dance. It's kind of cool. Whatever the season, cloudy, sunny, breezin', if he gets to bed without bumping his head, then the old man thinks it's pleasin'. Aw. Do you see where the kitty cat's sleeping? Ooh. Touch your nose if you have a kitty cat. Touch your chin if you have a dog. Touch your ear if you have another kind of animal. Ooh, I remember some of you have birds. Ooh. I remember, I think someone said they had a rabbit or other animals. Lots of different kinds of pets. My niece has a hermit crab. Yeah. I know that some of you know a lot about animals. Very smart about animals. Oh, and here's the music with the words. Very cool. Do you remember when we read the Itsy Bitsy Spider? It had the music here. So if you know how to play an instrument, you'll know the notes. Like when you go to Miss Miller's class and she teaches you about music there. It's really kind of neat. I love you. I hope you have a good day. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you about my new friend here. Her name is Clarice. Be careful. She likes to pinch. Love you. Bye.